Hey there, I'm Chris Ponick, Certified Public Accountant, Certified Coach, and the host of the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast. And I want to welcome you to this new series that I'm doing on this podcast. My intention is to drop one of these additional episodes every Monday while I continue to provide you with the regular Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast episodes, which will continue to help you take control of and understand your business finances with topics that ultimately impact your bottom line. I have many business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals who listen to this podcast, and I want to get more help out there for individuals like you when it comes to mastering your mindset. I'll be taking a few moments each week to touch on topics that many high-stress professionals are dealing with and provide solutions to help you increase your overall well-being. Because I know your time is valuable, just like the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, my goal is to keep these episodes short and straight to the point, but full of useful information to help you succeed in not only your professional life, but your personal life as well. Have you ever caught yourself thinking, I just want to feel better? If so, you're not alone. When I ask my clients what they want to improve in their lives, no matter how they say it, whether they're talking about stress or burnout, their business, their time, their health, it almost always comes down to two things. They either want to be happier or they want to feel better. And that might be what you want too. Maybe you've been thinking something like, if I could just get through this month, or if I could finally hire that one person, or maybe it's, if I could make more money, get more time back, or stop feeling so overwhelmed. All of those thoughts are really about one thing. You want to feel different than how you're feeling right now, right? Let's dig a little deeper into how that happens, not someday in the future, but right now with what you already have. Let's dive in. I want you to reflect on the last few days. Were you happy, fulfilled, or present? Or did you find yourself cycling through overwhelm, frustration, boredom, or even stress? It's okay if the answer isn't appealing. Don't worry, we've all been there. Most high-stress professionals, especially accountants and business owners, aren't walking around thinking, wow, I'm so happy today. But what I'm about to say might surprise you. What if I told you that your happiness isn't actually about your workload, your boss, your clients, your team, or your to-do list? It's about what you're thinking. That's right, not what's happening, but what you're thinking about what's happening. So let me ask you, what does a happy life look like to you? And more specifically, what does a happy day look like? Most of us answer that question with a laundry list of circumstances, like when I have more time, when my inbox is finally empty, when the busy season is over, or when the pressure lets up. But your circumstances don't create happiness. Your thoughts about your circumstances do. That's why someone with all the right things, money, success, and a supportive family, can still feel miserable. And why someone in a messy season of life can still feel grateful, centered, and fulfilled. It's not about the situation, it's about what you think about the situation. If this topic resonates with you, don't wait. The rest of this episode is waiting for you inside my free private podcast, Mastering Your Mindset Moments. It's created specifically for business owners, accountants, and high-stress professionals just like you. People who are done feeling overwhelmed, burnt out, or stuck in survival mode, and are ready to live a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. When your schedule is packed and the pressure is high, it's easy to lose sight of why you're working so hard. Inside this private podcast, I share quick, powerful mindset and productivity tools that you can apply right away, even during your busiest seasons, to reduce stress, reclaim your time, and enjoy the life that you've worked so hard to achieve. It's free to join, and you'll get instant access when you go to financialadventure.com/private. Don't put this off. This podcast is your shortcut to meaningful results in just a few minutes a week. Your next step towards feeling more in control, less overwhelmed, and finally enjoying a more balanced lifestyle again is only one episode away. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals where you're listening to this podcast.